Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. This is Jasmine Akhtar, lecturer, Department of Management, Omorgoni MES College, Chattogram. Today I will study business communication and report writing. This applies to second year honors students in the Department of Management and Accounting. So let's start the class. Today's discussion topics: meaning of mass communication, feature of mass communication, preconditions, essential elements for successful mass communication, different media for mass communication. The word mass means large group of people. When communication takes place among large group of people, then it can be termed as mass communication. Mass communication refers to the transmission of message to a large number of general people. মাস শব্দের অর্থই হচ্ছে লার্জ গ্রুপ অফ পিপল এবং এবং বৃহৎ জনগোষ্ঠীকে বার্তা পৌঁছে দেওয়া হচ্ছে মাস কমিউনিকেশন বা গণযোগাযোগ। We can say mass communication is a process of transmitting message quickly to a large number of scattered audience of different characteristics by using various channels like radio, television, newspaper, cinema, slide, etc. Scholars' definition. R.P. Molo says, mass communication is a process through which an individual, organization, or government communication with the general people. M.C. Farland says, mass communication is the process of creating feelings on a particular matter among the general people and transmitting ideas of the sender. Large number of audience. Large number of audience. In mass communication, information reaches to large and vast number of heterogeneous audience. The audience of mass communication exists millions after millions. বৃহৎ জনগোষ্ঠী শুধু নয়, এখানে বিক্ষিপ্ত এবং বিচ্ছিন্ন জনগোষ্ঠীকেও বার্তা পৌঁছানো হচ্ছে প্রধান মাস গণযোগাযোগের প্রধান বৈশিষ্ট্য। স্পেসিফিক অবজেক্টিভ. Every communication has a specific objective. Without objective, no communication is held. Mass communication has also a specific objective which is depend on the subject matter of communication. So, next, common messages. Mass communication transmits or delivers same same simultaneously message to vast, diverse, and scattered audience. Heterogeneous and scattered audience. The audience of mass communication are not only large but also heterogeneous and diverse type. They actually are made up a groups of people with dissimilar background, demographics, and socio-political characteristics, etc. etc. Absence of direct feedback. In mass communication, there is no direct feedback from, from the receivers. It is mainly because the receivers of mass communication are far away from the source of information. For this, mass communication is regarded as mostly one-way communication process. Use of mechanical or electronic media. Mass communication relies on mechanical or electronic media to address large and diverse audience. The media include radio, television, films, newspaper, poster, leaflet, etc. Mass communication does not take place through face-to-face or telephone conversation. Limited information. Such audience are brought together by a single shared interest in the particular message available through the mass medium. Message sources generally have only limited information about their audience. Universality. This refers to the extensiveness or common sense of a medium and acceptability of messages. A person does not need to be literate or educate in particular language before listens to a radio program or a watch television program in that native language. Next, communication is mostly one way. Communication is mostly one way. Mass communication is a one too many form of communication whereby product are masks products products are mass produced and disseminated to a great quality of audience. Precon- Rapid and continuous dissemination, দ্রুত এবং ক্রমাগত বিকীর্ণতা. In mass communication, information rapidly reaches and continuous dissemination to large and vast number of heterogeneous audience. Preconditions for successful mass communication. Firstly, easy to understand. The communicator herself must have clear understanding of the message to be conveyed. Acceptance, গ্রহণযোগ্যতা. Every communication has an objective and such objective becomes true when receiver understand properly the message which is received by him. In reply, received will give his acceptance and answer what the sender has asked for. Next, clear concept. Clear idea about the message is an essential requirement of any communication, but this is more important in mass communication due to its large number of audience. If the sender lacks sufficient knowledge on the message, he is unlikely to communicate successfully. Next, follow up. To have an idea about the attitude, feelings, reactions, or understanding of the audience, the communicator needs to evaluate follow ups. Exchanging of opinion, মতামত বিনিময় হয়, যেমন likely there must be exchange of words, views, news, message, opinions, or emotions between sender and receiver to make a communicative environment. Source. Message must arise from a source which will give the sender proper knowledge to provide feedback. Source ensure validity of the message. Proper media. Proper media. Selection of right media as another precondition for effective mass communication, depending on the literacy level and expanding of the people. Proper media should be selected. Use of symbol. প্রতীকের ব্যবহার. In mass communication, carries code, sign, and symbol are used to make an effective communication, and the use of such makes the message simple, conscious, and meaningful. Next, mass media can be two types, different media of mass communications. Two types: direct mass media, indirect mass media. Direct mass media: audio, audiovisual, traditional, public address like audio, audiovisual. Audio media. Radio is the best audio media. Through this media, advertisement, government message, order, announcement, or circular are widely spread for public interest and consumption. রেডিও ব্যবহারের মাধ্যমে আমরা এই তথ্যগুলো দিতে পারি। অডিও ভিজুয়াল. Message sent through this medium can be seen as well as heard at the same time. Television is the audio visual media and the most powerful and influential mass media. আমরা যে অডিওর মাধ্যমে যে তথ্য বার্তাগুলো দিয়েছি, অডিও ভিজুয়ালের মধ্যে সেটা দেওয়ার মাধ্যমে, তথ্যের মাধ্যমে আমরা দেখতেও পারি। ট্রেডিশনাল পদ্ধতি. ট্রেডিশনাল মিডিয়া. In addition to the mentioned modern media, there are some other traditional media such as drama, stage play, drumming, etc. Public address. Public address: political leaders, social workers, famous persons exchange words with people in a function, seminar, meeting, which creative a live environment, etc. etc. Indirect media, mass media, the syndicate of reporters. The reporters of syndicate help mass communication through supplying supplying collected news, comments, entertaining features, etc. to the modern mass media. Press Association. The Press Association collect news and photos from different sources and distribute them to the newspaper office, radio, and the television center for publicity. Some worldwide agencies are BBC, Reuters, AP, PTI, UNI, etc. etc. Advertising agencies. There are many advertising agencies who are engaged to arrange for advertising goods of their clients, and they do this by distributing photos, cartoons, news, etc. to the mass media like radio, television, newspaper, etc. Other association beside the above agencies, research institution, public relation department of various business concern and specialized organization do a lot for mass communication. Thanks everyone. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.